Change the unit to pixels and change the size to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Now change the unit to millimeter. Displayed size is in millimeter. Draw a square of same size. Create a copy of this object and fill color. To apply texture, go to Bitmap, Convert to Bitmap, choose Required Options and click on OK. Again, go to Bitmap, Custom, Bump Map. Choose the style Crumpled and increase the tile height and width to get the minimum amount of crumpling. Keep the lock ratio open to enter different values. You can change the surface and lighting values if you like to.
Click on OK.
Right-click on this bitmap, power clip inside. Click on that object to power clip. Control-click on object to edit power clip content. Increase or decrease size of texture as you like. Then Control-click outside to close power clip window. Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle as shown here. Hold Ctrl and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Hold Shift and decrease height. Select 3-point ellipse and draw an ellipse as shown here. Click, drag, click, adjust size, then leave. You can increase or decrease the size and rotate. Select this ellipse. Click on Contour. Contour inside, 3 copies, 10 mm offset. Right-click, break contour group. Ungroup objects. I'm using eyedropper tool to select same color. Copy color and fill it to your object. Select Smart Fill tool and fill color to these area. Select both objects and weld. Copy and fill color. Select the outer ellipse and click on Outline Pen. Change the line style. Click on OK. Increase the thickness of that line, about 3 to 4 pixels. Change the line color. Delete this rectangle. Fill color here using Smart Fill tool. Delete these ellipses. Draw a cross line using freehand tool and fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete the line. Change color to black. Create a copy of this object, drag and right-click. Click on Mirror vertically and place it on the corner. Change color of this object. Power clip an image inside an inner ellipse. Control-click to edit. Adjust an image. Control-click on page to close Power Clip window. Power clip both these objects inside the background. Select Drop Shadow tool and apply drop shadow to the arc shape object. Adjust opacity and feather. Right-click on Shadow and break. Power clip that shadow inside this red object. Remove outline of all objects. Right-click on Cross Mark on Color Palette. Place the text. Draw a rectangle. Select Shape tool and drag inward to change the corners to rounded. Select Text, hold Shift and select Rectangle. Press E and C. Select Text, press Shift Page up to bring it on top. Change the color. Apply drop shadow to the text. Forgot to apply shadow to the image. Control-click to open PowerClip content. Control-C to copy this object. Close PowerClip window. Control-V to paste it. Fill color using Smart Fill tool and change color. Apply drop shadow to the image. Press Control Page Up to bring the shadow on top of that object. Adjust opacity and feather. Break shadow. Delete this copied object. Select shadow. Press Shift page down to send it back. Power clip the shadow inside the white object. Remove outline.